The Northeast Food Show 2022, which is underway at the Polo Grounds Shillong, has attracted not only foodies but the general public as well. The food show that is organized by the government of Meghalaya and the world's largest food innovation network, the SIAL Group, is providing a platform to local Northeast producers to connect with national and international buyers. A variety of food products such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, cold and hot beverages, meat, spices and condiments sourced from various states of northeastern India and Southeast Asian countries are being promoted and sold at the food show. Guwahati-based THOLUA Pratishthan, which is a startup that urbanizes rural and ethnic functional foods, is famous for its sweet and savory candy garlic sourced from the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam. Media Plus was able to have a word with the founder of THOLUA Pratishthan, TRAILUKYA D, who provided details about the wonder food.
Okay, so I am from Assam, Guwahati, Assam, and my startup is THOLUA Pratishthan Private Limited. So we are a government of India recognized startup, and we are urbanizing indigenous functional foods.
Okay, I can see that there's a special kind of product that you have brought for this food show. So can you tell us something about it?
Yeah, so I will show you this product. This is black garlic. Actually, it was very indigenous product of our this part of India. So earlier, like our own native people, they used to make it by using indigenous techniques. So now those techniques has been almost been extinct, right? So we have developed a technology so where we can reproduce this, and it is made from the white garlic only. So so it's a process, long process. So we need a controlled temperature and humidity to make black garlic, and so after becoming black garlic, the nutritional value of the garlic becomes 5 times more nutritious than the white garlic. It has vitamin C, D and B complex and 16 different type of minerals, antioxidants, amino acids. So basically this is a superfood, and we we can use it in different purpose. We can consume it raw, and it can be used in other food flavoring items also.
How long is the process? How long does it take for you to get the candy?
Okay, so in earlier days it was almost a year it took, but now with our new technology innovation, we have shortened this period to 15 days. Minimum 15 days we need. So it's a constant heat and humidity we apply to the garlic, and there is no any other additional ingredient to this process. It's a manipulation of temperature and humidity to ripen the white garlic.
And what about the shelf life?
It is so if it is in intact condition in a like good packaged in room environment, so it will last till 1 year.
Otherwise, if it's cut or open, how long does it last?
If it cuts on open, so if it is like this, it is a like there is moisture inside. So then like it depends upon the environment. So within a week it can get fungus. Yeah.
So are you funded by some financial institution, or is it?
Yeah, so we are thankful to the government of Assam. Initially, they have given us a grant to establish our business. Then we have been incubated by IIM Kolkata Innovation Park, and we have got a fund from IIM Kolkata and Purnarika India Foundation, and we are also incubated by IIT Kharagpur and Delhi Agriculture University, PUSA IIRI, just to standardize and make more benefits out of this product.
Overall, how do you find this particular food show?
This is I was quite busy in my own stall, but I have visited the Meghalaya stalls. They are very looking very good, and a lot of potentials, new entrepreneurs are coming in. So this kind of exhibition should happen. We get encouragement, and it is a good platform for us to showcase our innovations.
So have you exported your product elsewhere?
We are in final negotiation of buyers from Middle East and Canada.